In today's video, I'm going to show how you could prevent taking screenshots or screen recordings of the app content due to some secure reasons. Here is my app available on GitHub. Normally, you could take screenshot by pressing volume down and power buttons. And here is the screenshot. Also, you could take a screen recordings and everything works great. Let's disable screen recordings. So find main activity and add the following flag: window set flags, flag secure, and let's check my device connected via Wi-Fi ADB. By the way, the screen is also not showing up via ADB. Let's take a screenshot, and you could see a message: cannot take screenshot due to security policy. Let's check screen recorder, start recording, and the same message: cannot record screen due to security policy. Unfortunately, it doesn't work on a virtual device, so you could check it only on a physical device. By the way, it's Android 14. So if you have any questions, let me know in comments.